No one wakes up feeling motivated every day. I am Matthew Bartolo and this is Unfiltered Therapy. It's the space where I share my thoughts, lessons learned from the thousands of people I've worked with. People who wanted to improve their physical health, their financial health, their sexual health and mental health. The difference between those who maintain what they're doing and those who don't is not motivation, it's discipline. It is discipline that helps you wake up in the morning or makes you wake up in the morning to go to the gym. It's discipline that makes you save money every month or to schedule time with your partner or with yourself. Motivation is more intrinsic. It's why you feel you need to do it, but our body, our mind wants us to feel comfortable most of the time. So early in the morning it's going to tell you it's too cold, it's raining, it's warm. What is this 50 euro going to make any difference in my bank account if I save it? Yet discipline is doing it because you know you have to do it. Discipline is what will push you to go cycling when it's early in the morning. Discipline is what will make you save that 50 euro every week, every month, in order to save up enough money by the end of the year. So when your brain in the morning or whenever you want to do something that you promise yourself you'll do, will start to try and convince you out of it, all you have to do is, no, I'm doing it anyway because I have to do it. Don't get into conversations with your brain because your brain knows you very well and it will definitely convince you why it's a good idea to spend that 50 euro, to skip that date night, to stay in bed. Discipline is what will get you there.